Now we will go to the last question in this series, namely the matching matrix. Similarly, 4 items are given on the left to be matched with those on the right. Those things which are on the left are marked as A, B, C, D. On the right, they are marked as P, Q, R, S. We will take up one after the other. Take the dehydration of alcohol. When an alcohol undergoes dehydration, it leads to an olefin. Olefin is being produced. Therefore, formation of olefin is there. Therefore, P matches with A. Then, during the dehydration of an alcohol, the first step in the dehydration of alcohol is the formation of a carbocation. Therefore, Q also is correct. Then, dehydration of alcohol always occurs under the influence of an acid. So, when alcohols are treated with acid, it undergoes dehydration, giving rise to olefin. Therefore, R also is correct. Whereas, dehydration of alcohol is not any addition, it is only an elimination reaction. So, S does correspond with that. Therefore, A matches with P, Q and R. Then we will take a B. B is an olefin actually. Therefore, matches with this P. Then there is no carbocation as far as this is concerned. Only on treatment with something else it may lead to a carbocation. By itself it does not lead to a carbocation. So, it does not match with Q. Similarly, this can undergo a reaction with this acids and all that, but there is no need of treatment with acid. There is nothing like that. Whereas, this compound undergoes an electrophilic addition. This acts as a source of electrons. Electrophiles add on to this. Therefore, this S matches with this. So, for B matches with P and S. Now, coming to C, dehydrohalogenation, it leads to an olefin. Dehydrohalogenation leads to an olefin, but dehydrohalogenation need not lead to a carbocation. When it proceeds by an E2 mechanism, it need not lead to a carbocation. Similarly, there is not an electrophilic addition, or there is normally dehydrohalogenation is affected under the influence of an alkali. Therefore, treatment with acid is not needed. So, what matches with C is only one, which is P. Then the last one D is sp2 hybridization. Olefin is actually the hybridization is the carbon present in the olefin. You will observe an sp2 hybridization in the olefin, which is P. And as far as D is concerned, sp2 hybrid carbocation, the hybridization of the carbon in a carbocation is actually Q is correct. So, as far as sp2 hybridization is concerned, the olefinic carbon, the carbon containing the double bond will have the sp2 hybridization. P is correct. Carbocations are also produced. sp2 hybridization, carbocations have the sp2 hybridization, whereas treatment with acid and electrophilic addition, they are not involved in sp2 hybridization. So, the correct matching for A will be P, Q and R, for B will be P and S, C will be P, and C is for corresponding to C, dehydrohalogenation, only the olefin is being produced. It only proceeds by a particular mechanism, carbocations are there, but generally a dehydrohalogenation elimination reaction, it leads to an olefin. And finally, for sp2 hybridization, olefinic carbon, that carbon carrying the double bond contains an sp2 hybridized carbon, and sp2 hybridization is also involved in carbocation. Carbocation hybridization of the carbon containing carbocation is sp2 and carbanion will be sp3.